Okay, so Brew watches. The timepiece is themed after making coffee, interestingly enough. You got some information on every single side. You got that little coffee brew logo on this side here, and then brew up top here. Gonna go ahead and open that lid up. Then inside here, ooh, you got some text at the top here. Go ahead and pause so you can read that. And then inside here, we do have this little pouch and some accessories at the bottom here. Looks like this is used to adjust the watch and take out the pins. Pretty cool that it comes with that. And then you have a black and yellow Brew microfiber cloth for your watch. So that's awesome. Then we have a little history booklet here about the Brew Metric, how to use it, it looks like. There you go, front and back. All right, let's see the goods. Man, I'm loving everything that this watch comes with. Wow, it even comes with its own little case here. Look at that. It's got some branding on the top. It says Brew. And it opens up. Oh, looks like it's buttoned in. There you go. All right. You gotta unbutton the sides here. Take it out there. Wow, look at this. Oh, it's so retro. I love the colors. Look at that. On the top, it almost has like a mirror-like finish. It's probably hard to see in the light. That's cool. All right, so let me go ahead and take my current watch off to compare. So this is a 35 millimeter Tissot PRX, and this is a 36 millimeter Brew Metric. It's weird because the square case actually makes it run a little bit bigger. Then there's some plastic taking off there. The plastic is pretty easy to take off on this one. I love when the plastic is just a breeze to kind of slip off like this. All right. Take that off. Look at the dial on this. Oh my god, I love the colors. The light blue, the yellow, the hits of orange. I love the hour markers that are just a shiny mirror finish. It looks so retro. My god, look at this side. Alright guys, so let's quickly go over specs here. Nothing too crazy. 36 millimeter case diameter here. On wrist, it feels more like a 38 millimeter because of its square design. We have a sapphire glass crystal. Case material is 316L stainless steel. We have a water resistance of 50 meters, so do not swim with this guy. I'd give this watch probably a 7 out of 10. 450 is kind of steep for a watch, depending on who you ask. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our unboxing and overview of this guy right here. If you want to see more unboxing videos or product reviews in general, go ahead and leave a like and a comment down below. A subscribe to the channel would be great too, as our purpose of this channel is to save you guys as much buckaroonies as possible. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Alright, see you later.